Welcome to this Windows and Computer channel, and a few little things to talk about. First of all, let's talk about Microsoft itself. So there is a slowdown of activity at Microsoft with all that is happening with the coronavirus. One of them is that the retail stores that you actually walk into are all now closed, just like Apple closed all of their Apple stores. So it's time, and they kind of say that that's the way if you are into buying some Microsoft devices. Well, you can actually go to the Microsoft store online, buy whatever you want online rather than walking. Of course, it's not the same, because in a store, what's cool is you can try out the devices and try out everything before you buy, which is always a nice idea. But for the time being, if you want to buy some Microsoft stuff, we're planning to go to a Microsoft store. Well, you'll have to do it online. And in other little news today is Mixer. If some of you are using Mixer, what is Mixer? Once again, Mixer is a streaming service, and it's very, I would say it's heavily populated by streaming gamers, but there's a lot of stuff in there. Mixer also has other content. So what you could do is go to the mixer.com website. They've updated the website. They've kind of made it a little better and different so that you can find content easily. What you could do is just go up and click, search channels here and search for some of the content that you want. Microsoft has some content there. Often the Windows Insider team, when they are live, they're actually live through Mixer. So you can check that out. Mixer is a competition to Twitch, a big competition to Twitch, which is the one of the top game streaming platforms, but streaming also in general, because you can, although it's, aggregated a lot of gamers, there's other content that's available there too. A little bit like the YouTube streams also. So check it out. I'll post the link to this webpage in the description below the video, and you can check it out. But these are some of the quick news items from Microsoft today. Enjoy my videos. Please subscribe. Give us thumbs up. Thanks for watching our videos.